Nothing Real Seneferu. Nothing Real Seneferu is an artificial intelligence system automates project breakdown, planning, executing, managing, supervising, and tracking, getting the humans involved just when it's really needed, letting everybody focus on the big picture and the actual jobs they are doing. For that, running any number of parallel mass CGI and VFX productions with massive team working locally, remotely, or both have never been that smooth, efficient, and easy. To achieve this, Seneferu comes with several applications working for your behalf as an AI crew members, having a simple user interface for interacting with their human counterpart. They are powered and driven by Seneferu Brain and accessing a shared knowledge that gets accumulated over time, which gives Seneferu a human-like nature, gets more experience, and becoming smarter over time. These are Seneferu Script Breakdown, Seneferu Ingest, Seneferu Project Planner, Seneferu Production Manager, who works as an AI floor manager, AI team leader, AI supervisor, and AI assistant for producers, supervisors, and regular users, in addition to a number of helpful tools and utilities. Seneferu Script Breakdown analyzes the project script written in any language and automatically breaks it down into locations, scenes, characters, props, assets, and more into Seneferu's project database, and creates the tasks needed for each asset and links the assets to the scenes and shots, and creates the shot list and the initial call sheets. Seneferu Ingest ingests any live action footage and materials from anywhere locally or remotely into Seneferu's project database. Seneferu Project Planner. An AI application takes the number of resources and fixed assets that can be afforded for each production process and automatically makes the production plan, milestones, and team tasks assignments, the team hiring plan, equipment and sets rentals periods, crew contracts periods, and the resources plan, all in just a few minutes by simulating the production execution with respect to the complex multi-directional tasks and assets dependencies and the technical requirements for each task, and coming with the plan and production execution order that makes the best utilization of the human resources and fixed assets. The shortest team contracts periods, the shortest equipment and locations rentals and contracts periods, and the shortest possible project delivery timeline. In addition, Seneferu Project Planner ignores any overproposed resources that would increase the cost without improving the production. He then analyzes the generated plan and report any bottleneck areas and areas with underproposed resources, giving the decision makers the chance to revise their resources proposal and get an even better plan. Seneferu Production Manager. An instance of Seneferu Production Manager runs along with everybody involved in the production in any way, either locally or remotely. Seneferu Production Manager leads the team to do what achieves the production plan, ensures a smooth workflow, reliable team output, and compatibility between what's everybody doing by communicating with the other AI Seneferu Production Managers, then automatically expects what has to be done and communicates with whom it may concern and with the high management. In addition, the distributed Seneferu Production Managers evaluate the team performance and measure the production efficiency. In case where there is no final or clear production plan yet, but the production has to start, Seneferu Production Manager can improvise. In improvised mode, he resolves every available project task dependencies and leads the team the way that everybody will do first, the tasks that have more reliable dependencies and the tasks that open greater amounts of work opportunities to the rest of the team, which ensures consistent and reliable team outputs, the maximum utilization of the available resources, and the maximum possible production execution parallelism, which make an efficient production even when no efficient production plan is made yet. In addition to that, Seneferu Production Manager also has behavior and attitude. On the other hand, Seneferu Production Manager provides solutions for revision, dailies, collections, and playlists, video and audio notes with webcam and paint over support, and more. Seneferu Procedural Pipeline. A fully customizable procedural pipeline driven by Seneferu Brain that covers almost all the known processes in making a moving picture. Seneferu pipeline is more like a knowledge base or a human-like description of each process, rather than being a solid asset or shop-based separate pipelines, which gives Seneferu the ability to deal with any situation, like a human who can think rather than querying from solid scenarios pre-designed for specific situations. Any application can be used efficiently with Seneferu. However, Seneferu Production Manager has high-level support and automation in 3D Equalizer, Maya, Houdini, Massive, Katana, Renderman, Arnold, Nuke, DaVinci Resolve, in addition to USD, Alembic, Tractor, and OpenQ. Besides that, adding support for any application of your choice is a very simple process, since the most important part of the automation is done independently by Seneferu Production Manager himself. On the other hand, Seneferu's procedural pipeline comes with a number of plugins and translators for improving the production efficiency. We mentioned from them NR Hair, an efficient hair renderer procedural, NR 2D Lens for lens distortion, NR Alembic, a custom version of Alembic for efficient caching and rendering of instances and ecosystems and to help for procedural assets building, Seneferu Project Database and Asset Management. By default, Seneferu Project Engine is installed on a custom build of the open source Southpaw Tactic, modified in-house to suit Seneferu. Seneferu Performance Evaluation and Reports. Seneferu Production Manager makes intensive project data analysis during the production execution, measures the team performance, and generates a very useful report for the decision makers about the current production efficiency, the future of the project, and how likely is it going to be delivered or delayed, and also highlights anything causing production bottlenecks or anything is improving the production efficiency on the other hand. Seneferu Live Dashboards. Live project dashboards for the higher management, department heads, and sister companies showing a live updating production and team states for the whole project, for a particular department or for a sister company respectively. The dashboards are live updated by the distributed Seneferu production managers, along with the project local and remote team members, which gives the producers and supervisors the chance to oversee the whole production through Seneferu's eyes. This is also where Seneferu gets them involved when something goes wrong, or when he fails to resolve a particular situation, like when something requires investigation or a physical action needs to be taken. Seneferu is an all-in-one artificial intelligence system for pre-production, production, and post-production. Greatly optimized for mass production and large-scale companies, greatly optimized for work between sister companies and outsourced projects, and provides a high-end solution for individual production managers and small-scale companies. For more details, please refer to the documentation and the video training resources.